Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jamaican banana bread pudding. First, gather your ingredients, ensuring you have very ripe bananas and slightly stale bread. Next, prepare your rich custard base, combining milk, eggs, and a touch of sweetness with warm spices. Finally, mix everything together thoroughly and get ready to bake this comforting dessert to golden perfection. It's a truly delightful treat. To begin, select 3 to 4 very ripe bananas. Their natural sweetness is key. You'll also need about 8 slices of slightly stale bread, which will perfectly soak up the rich custard. Don't forget your warm spices, like 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and half a teaspoon of nutmeg, to give it that authentic Jamaican flavor. Sweetened condensed milk will add a wonderful depth and creaminess to the mixture. Now let's get mixing. First, mash your ripe bananas and tear the stale bread into small, manageable pieces. In a separate bowl, whisk together your eggs, milk, sugar, and those lovely spices to create the custard base. Gently combine the bread and bananas with the custard, ensuring everything is well coated. Then, bake this delightful mixture at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 hour until golden brown. The final touch is a luscious rum sauce. Simply melt some butter, sugar, and a splash of your favorite rum in a saucepan until it's smooth and warm. Once your bread pudding is out of the oven, pour this aromatic sauce generously over the top. You can garnish it with a little extra cinnamon or a dollop of whipped cream. Serve it warm and savor every comforting bite of this authentic Jamaican treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.